We're looking at flooring right now. For the house.
So we discovered the flooring. Hardwood is awful.
What does this look like? Wild rice?
It really does look like rice.
Let's see. I like this one right here. This looks nice. This looks nice.
I like this one a lot.
This looks pretty nice. No, not this one. Not really this one. This one looks pretty cool. And then not tile. I mean, tile is just weird. I don't like tile. Tile reminds me of Bahrain and Saudi. And nah, I don't really want to remember that.
Tile reminds me of bathrooms. I don't want to be in the bathroom all the time.
That's true. Yeah. This looks pretty cool. I like this for like the bathrooms and stuff. That'd be cool.
Yeah, this type like concrete is cool.
Not this. This is awful. This is just like.
This is for hotels.
Yeah. Welcome to the Sofitel. We have tile floors. This reminds me of all Bahrain hotels. It's just like, let's put tile everywhere.
This reminds me of all Bahrain bathrooms.
Yeah. This is like the entrance of Bahrain. And then this is like...
Especially this, honestly.
Oh, yeah, actually,
That was all
yeah.
of the pools.
Yeah, this is like disgusting, like... They use tile so much, and I don't like tile. We're gonna get ripped off from this store, I bet. I bet this place is really expensive.
That floor is really expensive.
Yeah, but this one looks like this one's got like brand names and everything. Interceramic, crafted for life. Yeah, this is like a name brand. Like if you really want some good stuff, like name brand stuff. Like,
I mean, this seems like
it's floor, bro. We'll try to do progress updates on the house whenever we can. Just go in and see like how it's going. Because I want to see the process. That'd be cool.
you could do a couple of times. We're not gonna be doing anything.
I might just ask them, hey, can I just set up this phone and just like do a time lapse? That'd be pretty cool. Hardwood floors. I wouldn't want hardwood. I don't think. You've been summoned.
I think we're leaning more toward the grays.
Yeah.
Yes.
That actually.
Walk on this. Well, actually, this is what the floor will feel like. Yeah. That feels good.
Oh yeah. I don't get a say because I'm in college.
Yeah, bye.
Judah will be living with them for the next like 4 or 5 years. So. He gets more say apparently, which is fine. It's all fine. I'm not used to vlogging in public spaces, especially by myself, because it just looks like I'm talking to a camera, which I am. I'll get used to it. Right? It's like I'm not used to vlogging in public spaces, just like by myself.
Well, see, no one cares anymore because people do it all the time.
That's true. There's not a lot of vloggers in Texas though.
I've seen maybe a couple.
Really?
I mean, no one that was like a significant.
I'm significant.
Random people on Instagram.
I'm significant. Face reveal at 50 subscribers. Let's hit it.
Ooh.
Don't mind if I do. These are awesome. These are my favorite things in the world.
Or like those scents and stuff. That's good for bathrooms. This stuff over here. I like that.
Oh, so good.
Like this in bathroom.
On the floor?
Yeah, like marble type of thing.
Yeah, I guess.
Sometimes I think I'm gonna
We're
ask
back.
you to do something, and then I realize that explaining it will take longer than me doing it.
She'll always ask me to do something, and she'll be like, Jonah, can you wait? And then she'll think, she'll be like, never mind. She's done that 4 times in the past 2 days. I don't remember her ever doing that before.
Didn't think we could clean this
We're back.
Do you want to measure?
Contractor number 2.
You measure, and I will write that he's
Morning guy.
It may be too expensive though. It's got labels?
well, like fruits and vegetables and I mean, that's what I would put in there.
Like, how do I get this off? 60 square feet.
Better.
This is like for cheese and sandwiches.
This is cheese.
Big.
You must put butter and cheese here.
Yeah, we eat more cheese.
You must put can there.
They actually have words on them.
Yes.
Did
LG,
you
life's
see this?
weird.
Look. It's a fridge. Wow, it's a fridge. That's so cool.
We're gonna have fun taking this out. I'm actually really excited for this. I'm gonna try to time lapse it whenever we do it. I'll set up a camera somewhere. I'm trying to get more dynamic on this channel with all the cool shots and the panoramic transitions showing the entire house in one swoop. Getting more creative with the shots. Let's go. I'm also becoming more cringy, as you can tell. You're welcome. It's a gift from me to you. Should I open it? Ew. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh, this is gross. This is disgusting. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh no, I don't even want to see the shower. Dare I open it? Oh, the shower's not too bad. I mean, it's not great. It's not as bad as... That's gross. Oh my gosh. Bro, did they even shower? You just like step out. Man, make sure that shower is clean. So at least they showered, hopefully. Oh, that's it, soap. I'm not touching that soap. I'm not touching that soap. Ew, why would you have... Whoa, 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 hold up. There's a whole room in here. Ooh. I'm gonna open this. I wonder how many dead bodies are up there. Wait. I just want to see it. I just want to see it. To explore it. For exploring purposes. Okay. There we go. Okay. Please don't break. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. It's a lot of creaking. Whoa! I'll turn up the brightness a little bit so that you can hopefully see, but... Oh man. This is big attic. Water heater there, probably. Oh, I'm allergic to absolutely everything up here. This is cool. I'm great. Nothing! There we go. Don't worry about it!
I hate attic stairways.
It's fine, everything's fine. That was cool.
Hello.
Here, hi.
You good?
Oh, nice AC thing. It's really simple.
Whoa, that's cool.
Look, 45 degrees.
Why? No, why have you put it back to 70? 70?
Yeah, we had on 70. Oh, you little prankster.
I'm 12. I'm 12. This house is so gross.
Even the door stoppers cook it.
Nothing in this house is correct. I want to go back in the backyard. Let's go in the backyard.
Get bit by a snake. Can you reach this, Jonah?
Those tabs.
No.
No.
Okay, fine. Sorry.
Wait.
What is it?
Ow! No, I cannot do that.
Jab me with it.
Yo. I almost got it. Judah, be my stool.
Here, if you stand on this, can you reach it?
Oh,
Well, that
maybe.
can be your store.
Maybe. I don't know.
From the 70s.
I'm actually keeping it because I'm gonna
Why would you keep this?
I'm gonna put-
You're keeping it for fire.
putting
Ow! Jeez, freaking
I just
wheeze.
think it's really cute.
Ow! Ah!
Here, just if you can just measure it.
No.
Oh, never mind. Need a screwdriver or something?
As soon as the
Oh, got one.
Got one.
This guy's stuck.
Here.
Goodness sake.
It's
Oh yes!
That's probably-
This is going to work super well.
probably gonna break when you use it.
It will break. When I break. Oh, wait.
You break it.
No, wait. It's moving. No, it's not.
You can see the entire air.
Oh, got it! Ah!
Almost hit John in the face.
I almost died, don't worry.
Okay, don't breathe. Pull it out, but don't breathe.
There it is. Take a picture of the number.
There it is.
That's the fun part with the new house.
Alright. Close it.
Just the foot screws.
Oh, so they've changed it weekly.
Oh yeah, or maybe they never changed it in 16 years.
It's only been 15, but yeah.
Oh, yeah, 15 years. Much better. I am not clumsy. I can do this with one hand. Vlogging.
Spider, catch.
Yes. Most exciting vlog of all time. Yes. I hope you're hooked on these series. I am allergic to everything in this house. The mold, the dust, the pollen that's probably outside, all the grass. It's gonna be gone. I'm not sure. Hopefully it'll be gone.
I want to lie down, but this floor is just so gross.
Do it. 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 No. No. Just lay in that.
No.
Lay in that. I dare you. Come on. Do it for the vlog.
No, don't.
Mom ruins vlogs. Okay, it's hard in
I
here.
don't want to
The
be
floors.
vlogging a trip to the emergency room because you have contracted tetanus or something.
This carpet.
Every vlog must be better than the last. Ugh. Ew, it's moist.
Give her a back hug.
Stab me.
Stab me.
I dare you to stab me.
Do not hug me.
Stab me.
Do not hug
Stab
me.
me. Do it.
Do not
Do
hug me.
it. Come on.
Would you like me to do measurements for?
See, Logan Paul, you may have done some crazy things, but did you ever lie in a disgusting mold pit
Why is this one?
of carpet? I don't think so.
That's just pee.
Superior vlogger right here. Dare me to walk through it?
No.
Let's do it.
No, honestly.
3, 2,
No.
1. Let's go. It's not even bad. You're just paranoid. That's a spider web. I don't know where all this bravery is coming from. Look how sad he is. I don't want to go because I'm paranoid. Ah! 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 It's an ugly creature. It's gross. It's hideous. I'd rather be bit by 5 snakes on my butt than look at that. We're just gonna have to burn it all down. Just have a giant brush fire. That's the only solution. Make a wish. Woo!
Oh yeah, breathe one of those. What you do is you hold it in front of your mouth, and you breathe in as hard as you can, you eat it, and then you blow it
Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Pick. Oh! Wow, there was a bug on it! Ah, what is that? Holy moly, what is that thing? Ah, what is that? Ew. Oh, there's two of them. They're connected at the butt. Ah, those are huge. Oh my gosh. I hate insects so much.
Where?
Ah, right there. On the thing. What is that? It's an alien. That's not a bug. That is an alien. It is an alien from another world. That is disgusting. Ah, I'm gonna take some pictures of it. But but like I put it up to my mouth. That was the thing. It was like bug. That's what happened. That's what happened. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. No, wait. Do I really want to go inside with that face? Maybe it's better that I stay out here. This is the end of episode 2 of contracting work. We will see how things go.
So far, nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. We're just getting. Hopefully, soon we'll decide which contractor to use. Well, I think just the rest of today is just going to be contract work. So I think we're in this one here. And then next episode, we will see which one we get.
Why do you look better on the camera than real life?
Because I'm photogenic. Goodbye.